Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and well, I just got in. Gary and I popped out and we had some food, and it was very nice. We went to a place we've been to before that wasn't, you know, that great back then, but he heard it was under new management around Christmas time, and it was certainly a lot better. So I had lamb, just lamb Space Invader chops. I don't know what they call them, but they just kind of look like two stuck together, and they show us Space Invaders really. So I had those, and with mashed potato and real vegetables, not frozen. I know frozen are real, but they're more real. They're more real. Sorry, I've been watching too much news. Anyway, Gary sent me a joke. It's so bad, right? Okay. And it says, oh, where are we? Is it upside down? No. Glass coffins. Will they be popular? Remains to be seen. Oh, get it? He sent me another one, but it's too rude. So I can't show that. Bad, Gary. Remains to be seen. That's Gary's dad jokes, you know. He does have them. I've gotten really hot all of a sudden. It's very warm. The sun is beating down on the house, and it was quite mild out. I took a cardigan just in case, and didn't really need it, to be honest. It's weird. But one thing, when we got to the pub, there was a big ruck going on. It was it's a pub where they do food. It's not really a pub. It's more food than pub, but yeah, there was this big old slanging match going on, and I thought, should we go somewhere else? And we went, no, we're going in. So we did, and you know, it was just a domestic, but it was kind of apparently gone on for quite a long time. We didn't get involved, obviously. And I found this. This is my charger I took on the Sunborn. Was it Sunborn I took it on? Yeah, I took it away and I lost it. But the thing that's good about it is you can put all those in there, and it's not slow. It's actually a Samsung one, I think. No, Belkin. Oh yeah, I kind of bought that, I think, on the way to Las Vegas. Yeah, I bought that there. It's pretty decent though. Anyway, let's have a look at this before I forget. So we got Friday. Flying by, isn't it, this week? Flying by. We got that droid I like again. No living thing has seen me without my helmet since I swore the creed, said the Mandalorian. And he said, I'm not a living thing. Certainly not. I like that one though. You know, what did I call him? Trash can head. Yeah, trash can head is a cool robot. I like him. If AI becomes like him, it'd be all right. But I've seemed to think it'd be a bit more like I Am Robot. Sorry, iRobot. Or Terminator. That's what I think we're going to end up like. I don't think it's going to be lovely droids that go tweet, 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 tweet. I don't think that's going to happen. Okay, mum jokes. It doesn't take Sherlock Holmes to know that if mum's eating ice cream out of the carton when dad gets home, he might want to steer clear. My kids know that if they ignore me while they're on their phones, I'm going to destroy their Minecraft village while they're asleep. As if I'd do that. I never took the time to consider if I could live with my husband's chewing sounds. Oh, that'd be a deal breaker. Now I've got 4 of him at the dinner table. That would be a deal breaker. I couldn't live with that. What the hell? Mum should have had dinner already, I thought to myself. And then to my horror realised, Mum is me. Again, chewing sounds and me. Oh, you know, it kind of brings out this primal fury. And they say that it's some kind of disorder. What a load of rubbish. It's manners. If manners are a disorder, then I suffer from it. Because that's all I think it is. Manners. But they reckon that if these noises upset you, it's some kind... Is it dysphonia? I don't know. Some phony... some phony disease. Or syndrome or whatever. No, it's not. It's just manners. And people who lack them and chomp in my ear could get stabbed in the eye. Just saying. You know, that might be a bit extreme. But, you know, it makes me feel that way. It's like, stop it now. And, you know, sometimes when you're at a table and there's someone there, you just want to, don't you? It's like, oh, I'm not going to take a whole meal of this. Yeah, anyway. My insight into my psyche. Oh, cut me away now. Cut me away. Cut me away now. Look at that. Oh, look, I've got a beard. I've got a yarny beard. This is soft, man. Isn't this pretty? Isn't it? Look. Oh. Why I'm doing that? Why? I don't know. So this is Chester wool merino even tencel sock. 50% merino superwash, 50% tencel. 330 meters, 100 grams. Look at those colours though. Got a feeling it needs something doing with it, doesn't it? Ready for this one? Not as soft. A little bit more woolly. This one. Sockenwolle. Silberlurex. 71% Wolle. 24% polyamide. 5% polyester. Okay, it was German. 400 meters though. 100 grams. Party. Party. Oh, suits you, sir. Look at that one. Those are my colours, man. I really like this. It's called Sockenwolle. It's all the same thing as the previous. Yeah, it's got that shiny that's in. And then I only got one of these now because I did a giveaway and gave the other one away. Oh, it's parody. This one's softer. I've got a feeling this one's more akin to the first one. So, what have we got here? We have Masterbrauch Faber Natural. Well, it's not telling me much, is it? 100 grams. Admiral Schockenschloppel. 420 meters. Wowza. 100 grams. It's got a little kitty cat. Look like Fluffy, except it would have to have just the one eye. There you go, Fluffy. Hello, Fluffy. Honestly, I thought I saw Fluffy across the road earlier. And I'm like, what's she doing out there? She's going to go in next. Well, people opposite got like a big yard. Well, it's not a yard because yard implies that it's got hard standing when it's just land. And they've got horses that run about and they've got dogs that run about and they had a turkey and, you know, they had all kind of menagerie. So, she was off into they've got cats and they were going to go off into and I thought, what's she doing going in there? And then all of a sudden, Fluffy turned around and had two eyes. And I went, oh, it isn't Fluffy, it's Thomas. But usually I can spot him a mile off because although they used to look identical, Fluffy now looks tired and, well, kind of fat. She's still got very long hair where Thomas has lost that winter coat and he's more, not short-haired, but he's not as fluffy as she is. And he's darker and he's got two eyes. So it kind of gives it away. But he was looking exactly like Fluffy for some reason in the sun. And I really thought it was her. And I thought, what's she doing going over there? She's not, I thought she's a bit going a little bit, what's the word? Adventurous. Because, you know, there's other cats live over there and dogs and all sorts. And I thought she's too timid for that, you know. She don't really do that kind of mixing. She don't even mix with Gary, really. So, yeah. I didn't think she'd be going over there. And then when I see another eyeball, well, it kind of give it away that it wasn't her, really. Anyway, nice meal out. I didn't bring a drink in, and I knew I should have done because I'm very, very thirsty. And the only drink I've had, well, I had to drink in the pub. I had a alcohol-free strawberry and lime Copperberg cider. Very nice, very nice. I've got some out in the conservatory that's left over from Christmas that I haven't drank. Alcohol-free ones. I think there's some alcohol-y ones as well that I think Gary's drunk them all or not. But with Paul and Victoria coming over on Saturday, although she doesn't drink and drive, but she might have one of the alcohol-free ones. I also got some J2Os out there that I haven't polished off either. Lots of, you know, drinks that I can have out there. But I should have brought tea in or something. Wet my whistle. So I did a yarn of the week today. It popped up yesterday, obviously. And I chose, oh, look at that. Isn't it just, hang on, let's see if I can get it matching. Because these two do seem to match, don't they? Look, there we go. Oh, sorry, I'm going a bit, there we go. Bit better, bit squiff, bit skewiff, I don't know, but they are beautiful. Boho Spirit, and it's just gorgeous, this one. So I decided I maybe want to make something with it. Okay, so I also touched on the fact that I've got a little brainwave. It went... That's what happens to my brainwaves these days. But anyway, I had a brainwave to do something for a year. Oh my God. I can't normally do something that lasts a week. But I'm going to try and do something that lasts a year. So I thought I might do a square per week. So it'll be like Granny Square of the Week or Square of the Week. And then I'll do the tutorial for that square. And then people can check out if they want, or they can stay on and see the project and how to make a project with that said square. What do you think of that? So I thought, yeah, a year of Granny Square. Don't have to be grannies, obviously. They'd just be square. Or hexagons. Or circles. Triangles. Diamonds. You know what I mean? Grannies. But I thought, yeah, do like a tile, square, block, whatever you want to call it, per week. Do the tutorial for that. And then hang around if you want, see the project, make the project. I thought that was kind of like inspirational. What do you reckon? My face then annoyed me. Well, it didn't annoy me. It just reminded me of someone who does tutorials and videos. I can't remember her name. Elise or Elise, I don't know. But every thumbnail goes, you know. I'm just like, well, I don't like that. I have to say, I mean, she's probably wonderful. Not saying anything bad about her. I don't like those sort of thumbnails. I don't mind if they're cartoons. I mean, I've used cartoons. I can't do that to me. You know, I can't go. Maybe I should film me and do it like, and then put that on the thumbnail. I just don't think I can. Just don't think I can do that. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, calm myself down. But you know what I mean? It's clickbait to me, that, and I don't think I can do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. I just can't. I can't do it. No. Anyway, Rose, if you're watching, I hope you're getting better soon. I'm going to message you a bit later. I was going to do that earlier and I ended up going out to eat with Gary, so I haven't done it. But I hope you're better. And you know, you said you would message me, so message me. Okay. I'm not sure what to do with this yarn because most of this is kind of wool, and you know I can't really do wool. But I mean, I think I might be all right with this one. Reminds me of that little grey girl yarn I had. I did cake that up. It's like this has to kind of, this simulates my cogs turning. You know, people do that though, don't they? But I was sipped and looking at the propeller. Okay, what? She was looking at the propeller. What film was that? Come on, that's easy, that one. I slipped. But you know, it's the cogs are turning. This is what, and I do it all the time. It's quite sad, isn't it? Oh, I've forgotten what I was saying anyway now, because it's kind of blown it away. So anyway, that was my idea to do for a year. Sort of tutorials, actually. You know, I have to get my butt in gear for those. Oh, buccaneer, can you help me get my butt in gear? Not my truck. I don't have a truck. I've got a butt. And a big one. Well, actually, I say that. It's not that big. It's kind of disproportionate. It's more of like a... If the top matched the bottom, I'd either have a gigantic butt or I'd be quite slim on top. I've still got Gary's joke in my head. Remains to be seen. Oh. Yeah, he did send me another one after that as well. I don't know what that one is now. I've forgotten it. But there was another one. So anyway, I can't be on too long. My football team are going to play in a sec. Well, one of them are. I've got two. Gary's got two now. Yeah, saying. So, he's going to tell me they're playing. So I'm going to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.